Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and today in this video, we are going to see the expectation in TCS versus the reality. So what kind of questions we expect in TCS and what comes. So this might be a little funny video. So let us start with the question number one. So before we start with the question number one, I will also start the timer. Okay. So let us start the timer now. The question is, if 30% of a number is 150, then what is that number? So 30% of a number x is equals to 150. So 30 will divide this by 5 times. So percentage is nothing but 1 by 100 into x will be 5. So x will become equal to 500. And we tick this answer and then we click on submit. So this is our expectations in the TCS examination, and you can see the timer is wow, 34 seconds. We have finished this question. So this will be our expectations in TCS examination. But how TCS will surprise us? So what is the reality of the TCS examination, that we will see. Okay. So again, let us start with the timer, because timer plays a very important role here. So let us start with the timer. Two pipes A and B can fill an empty tank. Pipe A takes 60 minutes. Pipe B takes 30 minutes more than pipe A. That means 30 plus 60, 90 minutes. So now we are only reading the question and we are collecting the data. Pipe C can empty the tank and take time equal to time taken by both A and B to fill the tank. That means tank C will be removing the water. Okay, and the total time it will be taking is nothing but 60 plus 90 is nothing but 150 minutes, right? So this is what we are doing in the examination, and we are also seeing in the timer. Then when the tank is empty, the pipe A and B are opened for 30 minutes and then closed. Now the time taken by pipe C to empty the tank. So what we do, we take LCM here, right? So we take LCM here. So LCM of 60, 90 and 150, right? So this LCM, we can take 900. So 900 will become the capacity of the tank. So 60 15 times, 90 10 times, and 156 times. So this is what we got the efficiency. Okay, now so A and B are opened for 30 minutes. So A efficiency is 15 and B efficiency is 10, and they are opened for 30 minutes. So 25 into 30 will be nothing but equal to 750. So out of 900, 750 is already filled. That is nothing but 150 is remaining. Okay, now so you can see, right? Okay, now your tab C will be able to remove, and now you can see the time is already done. See, you are already now close to your question, right? So you are already now close to solving the question, but your time is done and you will not be able to solve. That is what happens in the examination. You have understood the question, you have solved something, and then your time is up, and this is what is the reality of the question. Okay, so this is the reality in TCS examination, and this is your expectation. So friends, please change your expectation, solve the questions timer based. So yesterday we had done a question, so you have to practice in the similar way. Okay, so you have to practice in the similar way, and then only you will be able to crack the examination. So thank you friends for watching the video, and definitely if you feel this is true, then please hit a like and comment below. For time being, take care, stay at home, stay happy.